Dwi yma. Dwi yma. Mae gen fi set-up newydd heddiw. Dwi'n gweithio. So, dwi'n gobeithio os mae sain yn iawn. That's the main thing. Dwi'n gobeithio sain yn iawn. Dwi angen hwnna. Hmm. Pam sy'n isio. Pam sy'n isio. Na, oce. Dwi hynna fan hyn. Champion, oce. Helo. Friday night, nac i Saturday night stream ar y gweith. Dwi wedi cael change of scenery. Dwi wedi cael CPU newydd. Dwi wedi cael GPU newydd. Dwi wedi mynd o 2070 Super i 4070. Dwi wedi mynd i 3600 AMD i... Sut oedd e? I 5700X CPU. Be mae'n golygu, Emrys? Emrys, dweud chdi Emrys be mae'n golygu. Mae'n golygu dde, alla i fynd i output yn OBS a newid y preset o slower, better quality, i slowest, best quality. Best quality i'r fan yma. O'n i'n gwybod be i chwarae heddiw, so mae Dudzy yn awgrymu i fi chwarae City Skylines. Again, nes i Alt 4 yn ystod o'r dwytha. So. Let's go to it. Y camera nawr, dwi'n sefyd y camera fyd. The camera should be fine. Okay, so. Let's go! Ydw, I'm eisiau chatio. Don't need it. Wi eisiau fi just iwsio Stream Deck fi i newid scene. Fel stwff wi eisiau newid yma fyd. No, hei, sorry. Yeah, do watch. Gameplay. Cyn i fi wneud dinas newydd, gad i fi ddangos i chi. Yes. Dwi am dechrau dinas o newydd. Ond ar hyn o bryd, hwn i dinas fi. Ei, Maris, beth sy'n ymlaen i dinas chdi? Mae'r main road yn y ffordd ma. Abundance of electricity. Ne? Os wyt ti'n dreifio fewn i'r dinas, sa ffordd i hwn yn first person. So rwy'n City Skylines yn y chat allu dweud fi sydd allai wneud first person. Iawn, dreifio fewn. A beth gyntaf ti'n gweld ydy'r world famous roundabout yma. Wedyn, Captain Cymru, ti iawn? A y peth gyntaf sy'n denu chdi fewn i'r ddinas ydy'r tip. Dwi wedi reid waste tip fi yma. Landfill fi. Literally, y peth gyntaf ti'n gweld ydy'r landfill. Sy'n Mae'r landfill, wedyn... Dim fi just industrial. Commercial. Dwi'n meddwl da iawn o gem. So... Housing mi fanna. Ei, na, ci, hwn yn hen un. Oh, shit. Hwn yn hen un. Hwn yn hen un. Crap. Sut i'n safio yn gem ma? Iawn, dech eto. Ond, dwi yn eisiau profi, dwi'n gwybod sydd di... Anghofio am y bits coch ma, di bits coch yma'n bwysig. Nawn ni dech eto. Dech eto. New game. So. Be di'r European dwi eisiau neud? Dwi eisiau neud European. Dwi eisiau neud Caernarfon 2, basically. So, y Caernarfon, wrth ochr yr... efo minnau, so... Fanna, Mountain Village. Hwna'n Caernarfon ni. Caernarfon. Iawn, so that's bad. Dwi ddim isio buses. Dwi isio underground subway. Dwi isio bob dim dod oddi wrth underground subway, basically. Basically. Dwi isio slums. Dwi isio high energy output. Dwi ddim yn poeni am y dyfodol. Dwi isio result, a dwi isio result rwan. Caernarfon 2. Left hand traffic? Left hand traffic, dwi'n de. Mae'n boring hynny, yndi. So. Let's go. Dwi wedi lawr wyth o games gwahanol i fi, just a gom. Wy'n ysgu, pause. The big idea. Gweld hyn i gyd, iawn? Test. Sut dwi'n di expandio yma? Fawr yma. Anyways, pam ti'n gweld y lôn yna? Iawn, motorway. 2 lane, 4 laner. Dechrau efo roundabout. Okay. Oh, shit! Pam hwnna fel la? Whoa! Hey! What? Oh, cos mae dip yna fo. No! Personal. Yes, let's go. A fo! O, be di hwnna? Dim ond. Iawn. Gynna fi two liner yn mynd trwy fanna. Hwna fatha bypass Caernarfon. O, F off! Pam? Oh shit, tren, di hwnna! O, mae'n iawn, mae'n iawn. Oes peth o panicio? Mae'n iawn. Iawn. Lle mae stwff yn... Lle mae floor, wan? Lle dwi'n mynd i shit fi? Fama, ie? So... Dai. Sa ffordd i lenwi hwnna fo dŵr? Na, gos na gos. Nid hwnna jyst llenwi fo shit, wan. Gyda fi isio. Gyda fi ddim gyda fi ddim lle ni shit. Y ffordd i lenwi hwn efo dŵr. Dwi'n mynd i dŵr o fanna. Mae'n prime real estate. Un o hein yn ddigon. Dŵr o fanna. Just shit allan o yma, basically. Pwy dwi'n cael agor hwn? Tiny village. Na. Dwi'n na, additional pump. What the hell? Beth sy'n dod? Oi! Fo. Dirt road. Iddo fo. Dwi'n dweud efo dirt road. Da. Fucking love your roundabouts, e. Eisiau roundabouts mowr yn fanna. Ond eisiau roundabouts mowr o ddo. Sy'n ddechrau cael dŵr o yma? Sy'n dyna, de? Okay. Hefyd, sut dwi'n cael up view? Dwi wedi newid y... Oh no, 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 stop, 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 stop. Okay. Industrial. Nice place to live. Go be? Get some houses. Get some houses on. Just get civilization going. So dwi'n cael dŵr fewn i fe wan. Western. Yna de. O. Os lle llenwi hwnna fo dŵr. Newid brush size i hwnna. Ooh, ooh. Right, effort, yeah. Am rwan. Just am rwan. Just cael ship pipes fi fyna. Dio ddim yn rhywbeth parhaol. Oh, shit is flowing. There are. Good shit. Good shit flowing o fanna. Fanna fydd shit fi'n mynd. Dwi wedi gwneud twll fawr i shit. Electricity fan. Io, dwi ddim am wneud coal plant. Dwi am mynd i prynu electricity one. You're listening to Second Moon Radio with J. Thomas Hornbuckle, and we're pervading some of the finest classical music on the air. Electricity. Right here. What? Come on, electricity demand fi. O, pam dwi'm yn cael electricity? Na. Pam dwi'n methu... Battery. Dyma battery. Yeah. Fel there. Faint o bell dylai fi neud y... Mys... Fel ie. O, dy trod hwnna! Shit. Shit. Ydw i allu newid o? Ydw i allu newid o? Amrys? Reit, digon da. Digon da. Quirky. Mae'n quirky. Industry. Give me industry, please. Fama. I hope you like industry. What? Tai posh. Okay, so dwi efo'r bare essentials o'n barod yn do. Be di hwn? O, hwnna. Pa dwi'n cael... Pa dwi'n cael prynu hwnna? Ah. Yeah. It looks good. Gyda dau nhw? Un nhw. Un nhw. Oh, is that water? You tell me that's water. Jyst y twll o fanna. Okay. Dwi'n dweud, mae yna, swy ddim wedi gael y tai, ie? Bod yn wedi tai, lle? Yay! Okay. Dwi eisiau mwy o roundabouts, de. Roundabouts. Roundabouts. Okay. Okay, mae'n cwyno ar sgan nhw'n un lle i fyw yma. Ydw i'n sedd eisiau 2 roundabout o fanna? Da. Ewys bwtsion. Ww. Ie, cos nhw hyn yn pobl mwy tlawd. Tlawd. Do it. Ah, no, 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 stick. No, 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 no. No. Eisiau bod yn reid... Dwi'n lack of labour. Oh. Build the tai. Fama, de. Purchase. Iawn, good idea fe, man. Safio. Save game. Okay. Cair ar y fan. Cair ar y fan. 2. Save. Dwi eisiau ffucking dŵr fe, man. O, nid dwi'n llenwi fyny. O, dwi'n mynd llenwi fy dŵr. Pam hwnna'n mynd yn nuts fel? No! Level. O, na, fanna fydd commune. Fanna fydd commune fi. Fanna fydd commune fi. O, be dwi'n neud y fama, man? Dwi jyst eisiau... Fama dwi eisiau shit fi gyd bod. Yeah. Move. Pam dwi'n mynd cael o fanna? Pam sy'n dŵr yn llenwi fama? Pam sy'n... O, dyle hwnna llenwi ond dde. Pam di shit fi'n mynd i fama? Dwi eisiau hwn bod yn shit hole fi. Pam ddim yn shit hole fi? O, sbio, mae'n llenwi, sbio. Oh my god, be fi'n sbio? Iawn, oce, mae hwn yn llenwi, ideal. Mae'n effio fyny thing fi, dim watch da. Level. Hwna, ddim o'r... Gysau y thing yma sy'n... Efo? So, iawn. Move, ie? Yes! Okay. Shit pipe. Na fo! So gaeth hwn llenwi fo shit, fan. Fucking clever. Wedyn, yn fan'na, gai eitha pedestrian. Lle mae pedestrian path fi? Pedestrian path. Siwr, dwi'n rhywle fe yma. O, hwn di, e. Do. Elevation. Distance too short. What?
Pending updates to our power grid, the city will be experiencing rolling
Sbia?
We urge the public to remain
Neb yn gwybod.
breaks in service and to follow the
In water. Dim ond in water.
on how to plan for these temporary events. This has been a local public service announcement.
Yeah.
This is Second Moon
Efo, so...
Thomas Hornbuckle. Before we dive into our next
Dwi hefyd yn mynd i reid sewage piping yn fama. So... So... Dwi'n cael dŵr o fan'na. Dŵr dy fyny fan'na. Posh houses. Ddim mor posh houses.
The leader of the city services division is with us in the studio today to
Shit.
discuss why they're
Ond...
contracting with outside agencies to provide vital services.
Dino Dance.
Well, quite frankly, yes. It is an additional expense, but the residents have come to expect a certain level of services, and we simply do not have the capacity to provide them within the city.
Sounds like we're the ones who will end up paying for it. Should we be worried?
I expect the residents would be more distressed if key services became unavailable. Their quality of life is very important to them.
But so is their money.
Ah, F off! Shit, ydw dwytha. Shit. Na, dwi eisiau hwnna mwy. Iawn, so.
You can now shop for designer shoes while sipping a fancy local Jarva mate. Or so my wife tells me. That's good for business and good for the community.
Thanks, Jim. We'll be back after this.
Efo. Ei, diolch yn fawr. O, nath hwnna ddod fyny, wan. Sim cael... Dwi'n cael... Yn y pause hwnna. Nes di... What? Dal efo fi, os gwelwch yn dda. Alert? Alert? 3 element. Get in.
Dino Dance.
Come on, Sean. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Oh, fuck. Shit. Bad mistake. Yay! Bitte.
Dino Dance.
Dino Dance. Diolch yn fawr. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Oedd o ddim yn gweithio fi. Oedd y poeni ddo, dwi wedi trwsio fo. I fi. A fi sy'n bwysig. Dyn. Bwysig. Ie, sy'n ysgrifennu ddim yn fyny fi. That's all. Ta. Iawn. So. Let's be honest, iawn. Fucking, be di'r stroke of genius yma? Be di'r stroke of genius yma? Mae'r shitter efo'r stuff yma i gyd. Dwi'n meddwl. Dwi'n mynd i gael un arall ein. Fuck it, treating it. Treating it. Be mae'n actually neud o? Ewa. Dwi'n gwybod i'n gwario ar hwnna. Hwnna allan o'r ffordd. Oh, crap. Oce, iawn. Shitty stuff. Nice stuff. Fydd y cemetery lle dwi'n mynd i y cemetery? Lle dwi'n mynd i y cemetery? Big roundabout, don't give a shit. Just really don't give a shit. All about feel. It's all about the feel. Iawn. Oh my god. Oh my god, dim res. Gad hwnna fan yma. Okay. The screams of big roundabout. Big roundabout. Don't give a shit. Don't give a shit. Bob dim. Off the lawn yma. Hey. Bastard! $90. Be doing? $135. Villa. Fuck with big. Oedd beth ti'n dweud yn dweud? Ti'n hyn list be? Bang. Oedd beth ti'n dweud? Hyn list. Bang. Dim ond 2 ffordd. So 2 ffyrdd. So mae gynnu fi big two-laner yn mynd trwy'r dinas. So, hwn di'r main road fi. So, fydd bob dim gogledd i'r hwn yn stwff neis. Bob dim i'r de yn shit. A fanna fydd awful housing. Just disgwyl tan dwi'n goffan efo fanna. Actually, there. We got posh houses of yma. Y trick nes i ddysgu tro dwytha de. Ooh, medium. You. Ooh. Bach mae heina de. O, de. Yndw, dwi'n gwybod am y curved road tools. Dwi ddim yn gwybod sy'n defnyddio fo, dim yn ei sen. Fath o black magic. Mae o'n... Dim yn... Mae o ar curve. Mae pwynt canol ar y curve yn counter-intuitive. Be ti'n lycio am lonydd fi? Hwn de. Industry leading hwn. Curiad y shit yn y landfill. Yn shithole fi. Just. Iawn, so ysgolion. Cemetery. Lle dwi'n dweud cemetery wan? Solar panel. Dwi'n dweud solar panel hefyd. Battery. Ta hydro. Sgwyd fi'n rhywle wneud hydro yma? Na, gos na gos. Hydro out of the question, di. Iawn. O ran... yr ynys yma wan. Ai codi fo. Ei lefel ar ynys. Llaf. Okay. Hen building, eh? Yeah. Dwi'n mynd eisiau nhw cael lan y môr. Dwi'n teipio... Na, do, be dwi'n teipio rang? Be dwi'n teipio rang? Ta fel look. Cities, Skyline. Cities. Be dwi'n teipio rang? City Skyline, City Sky. Skylines, Skylines, Cities. S-I-T-E-S, S-I-T-E-S. O, ysbryd dwi wedi bod yn... Hwna. Cys mae dwi wedi bod yn sy'n yna.
More high-end stores, bringing the latest.
Ia, o.
Fancy local Jarva mate, or so my wife tells me. That's good for business and good for the community.
Thanks, Jim. We'll be back after this.
And on to our main feature story. The commercial district is booming as the area is attracting more high-end stores, bringing the latest in luxury to our neighborhood. You can now shop for designer shoes while sipping a fancy local Jarva mate, or so my wife tells me. That's good for business and good for the community.
Thanks, Jim. We'll be back after this.
O, dwi'n mynd cael, sbio. O, sbio. Fydda, fydda. Shit, so dwi'n cael lôn i fanna wan. Bonty, stwff dwi'n mynd all, o fama. Shit, be hynna wan. Iawn. There. Iawn. Lle mae fucking shitty housing fi? Di hwn? Na fo. Whoa, pam sy'n lôn? Pam sy'n... Oh, fuck off! Sut dwi'n symud hwnna? Sut dwi'n symud hwnna? Dwi'n bod hwnna ta. Okay. Un lôn i hwnna'n ddigon. Dwi'n mynd i'r un lôn arall yn fama. Fydd fama angen police station, de. Fydd yna lot o fucking pobl drwg o fama. A dwi'n dweud... Un tan. A dwi'n dweud... Wow, pan ydych chi'n mynd connected? Pan ydych chi'n mynd connected? Hospital. O yma. O. Pam sy'n hyn ddim... Yeah, big brain, big brain. There. Fucking. There. Sut dwi'n gwybod beth i ychdau hwnna? Wel. Shit, mate. Mae'n siŵr yn ESS. That's about right. Yeah. Fucking yes. Fucking yes. Yeah? Big F off. There. Wan dwi isio slope. Wel, should we slopio? Here's a slope by evening out terrain height between Oh, okay. Fel 'a. Ti'n neud o? Oh my god. Be dwi'n neud yn yma? It's gonna be digon o slope. Get it. Shit. Sut dwi'n lefel hwn allan? Oh my god, na 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 na. Be? So. Cysau y thing fe. Hwn. Be? A de. Isio chdi dŵr isio. O. Dwi isio... Lon yma. Lawr. Isio... Wela. Oh my god, Dewis, be di hynna? Di hyn? Ah! Mae'n iawn, mae'n iawn, mae'n iawn. Dwi jyst isio... Dwi'n cael ei twll? Dwi'n cael ei twnel? Be? O na, dwi di long run, no! Huh? Iawn. O fo. Wedyn... Hwna. Gweld hynna i gyd. Sbia! Sbia! Perfect. That is a work of art. Tactless di hwnna? 'Na. 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 fama. Not so. Huh? That.
Pending updates to our power grid, the city will be experiencing rolling blackouts.
Pam,
We urge the public
have you got rolling blackouts, Ron?
during these breaks in service and to follow the guidelines on the city's website on how to plan for these temporary events. This has been a local public service announcement. Recent spikes in demand have led to temporary local shortages in the
Ava?
city's fresh water supply. The public should be
Spear?
aware that we are struggling to get the
Go on.
situation in hand. This
Gonna
has
fi...
been a
Oce,
local-
un sy'n gorfod mynd i fi drosodd.
Has anyone seen
Ond y fama, mae gen i dual road.
What? We're on the air?
Dim tan dwi'n neud hynna, ddo.
Nothing important. I just lost my keys. I'm sure they'll turn up. They're for the
High density residential, sy'n di hwnna. Low... Mae'n dal eisiau low density housing. Okay.
Please, don't steal my car. I mean, the old Hornbuckle mobile, please.
Da.
Oh, good. Here they are. Well, never mind then. Thank you for listening to Second Moon.
Yeah.
And on to our main feature story. The commercial district is booming.
Iawn, oce, so rwan dwi isio... Dwi'n isio pobl gweld fama nag oes.
You can now shop for designer shoes while sipping a fancy local Jarva mate. Or so my wife tells me. That's good for business and good for the community.
Thanks, Jim. We'll be back.
Iawn, be dwi angen? Solar panel, yeah. Let's go for it. Solar panel.
The commercial district is booming as the area is attracting more high-end stores, bringing the latest in
Ga i
luxury.
reid solar panel o fama?
You can now shop for designer shoes while sipping a fancy local Jarva mate. Or so my wife tells me. That's good for business and good for the community.
Thanks, Jim.
Diolch yn o'n.
We'll be back after this.
Oh my god, mae'n seis hwnna. Ooh. Byddai prynu. Byddai, ie? Efo. Ydw i'n rhy sgynt? So neis dim gorau cael... Yey, oce, iawn. Oce, dwi eisiau mwy o industry. Di hyn, man. Industry, industry, industry. O, ta dwi'n ei fe mewn offices i gyd. O, sy'n dda sa. Gyd hwn yn bod yn gyd hwn yn Manhattan fi. Just painting the... Change of plan. Change of plan. Low density offices. Just bach o low density gychwyn i fi cael. Sgwar. Yeah, that's low density. Yes! Low rent housing. Let's go! Low rent housing. Low rent housing. Okay. Fama. Big fuck off. Everything audible to her. Ooh. Tier. Beth yn dda iawn efo geidio seid. Lle hwnna? Eh? Eh?
This is an emergency broadcast to all citizens. Increasing areas of forest are being engulfed by flames.
What?
The thick smoke rising from the fire makes the air dangerous to breathe. Citizens are advised to vacate any premises near the fires and remain at a safe distance until emergency services manage to get the fires under control.
Dosłownie. Efo. Just twtio. Ne, fel a fe. That's so much. Ah, no! Dwi byth yn gwybod faint i wneud hynny. Fanna. So, faint o... 1, 2, 3... 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7... We just... 1, 3, 4, 5... 7, 8... Right. Let's get those fucking... Let's go. There. En nu hefyd wedi gwneud bach offices yma. Commercial zone. There. Bach o... Yes! Efo. Um, Iawn, beth dwi angen neud yma, man? Batteries. Eisiau ddysgu batteries, I think. Emergency batteries. Shit. How many overlapping items? What the fuck? Lle? Lle dwi eisiau rhoi hynna? Ba? Solar panels. A dwi'n gyrru batteries am yma. Batteries am yma. Dwi'n gwybod dwi angen. Na hwnna, hwnna, hwnna. Dwi'n angen batteries. Dyma. Just yn cofyn i beth digwydd, de? Come on. O? Oh shit, na ci! Gyrryd, gyrryd, gyrryd. Gyrryd. Wow, pam? Pam, 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 pam. Pam, 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 pam. Os di rhywun yn gwachio fi sydd dda yn City Skylines 2, os dwi efo solar panel farm wan, ydw i angen rhyw fath o electricity? Ydw i angen... Ydw i angen transformer? Shit, yn dyndo. Ie. Dyla, ie? Na, dwi'n angen yna, dw. Yeah, I'm so if I'm on, gonna be high, no polluting energy fi yma. So hynna golygu ma' hwnna'n golygu dwi'n ca'l ma' hwnna'n cynhyrchu electricity yndi? Hwnna. Dwi fine yndw? Y high-low thing na dwi'm yn dall. Iawn, be' dwi angen locio yma? Dwi'n iawn yn fama yndw? O, Subway. Subway dwi isio Dwi'n am... Dwi angen hwnna. Siwr? Dwi angen college. Dwi angen university. Efo. Mae'n poen am shit arall eto. Available deployment point. Angen hospital. Yndw. Shit am lleill. O. Efo. Dwi angen lle i claddu pobl fi oes? Oce. Iawn, oce. Lle dwi'n claddu pobl fi fama? Efo. Efo. Hospital. Lle dwi'n mynd i roi hospital fi? Elementary school. Yeah. Elementary school. Efo na. Dyna golygu dwi eisiau mwy na un elementary school. Y sortio wedyn. Dwi angen high school. Geith high school fi fynd i... no! High school yn mynd i fanna. University College. College mynd i... No! With it. Wel, mae university fi. College. Dwi eisiau college rwan. College. Be dwi'n neud efo fam? Fam oedd hospital thing. College. College, yeah, Melly. Hello. Hospital! Oh, no, do... Oké. Dan ging ik hospital weg. Maar... Nee. Oké, swim press, swim. No, swim press. Toevallig is je stukje efo'r water. Efo clean energy. Oh my god, be doing that? Be doing that? Fuck off. There's a air pollution. Trauma. Voor juni weer. Ben mijn poep is zo. Dit is zo. Moet erheen. Oh shit. London. Huh? No! Dwi angen mwy o medium house. Okay. Medium. Ja, den. Fijn, ja. Oh my god, Pamela, oh my god. Don't know. Speel nou, speel. Ja. Ja, met dat. Dat. Ja, zo. Zo. Ik kan het wat traffic en... Traffic is a bit of an issue. Said three and sort of traffic. Road maintenance, okay. Three in middle. Road maintenance. Oké, kan het dit gewoon binnen. Waar? Nou wel. Big brain, big brain. Oké, wel ja. Dat. Christmas tree effect gael hwn. Da. Christmas a wonky tree effect. Hwn. Ja. Road maintenance there. eisiau hynna. Okay. So, y fam yma, ydw i angen traffic lights yma? Dwi wedi rhoi traffic lights yma. Sut dwi'n gorffan... Sut dwi'n... Iawn. Traffic lights. On. Okay. Okay. O, oedd yn ganddo hwnna ti. Der, hwnna traffic, wan. Ww, fam. Okay. O? Iawn.
Pending updates to our power grid,
Boomtown!
the city will be experiencing rolling blackouts.
Stop it doing rolling blackouts i fi.
Remain calm during these breaks in service and to follow the guidelines on the city's website on how to plan for these temporary events.
Yes, Subway!
It's been a local public service announcement. How delightful.
Oh shit, dwi'n mynd hospital.
Another letter
Crap.
from our erstwhile listeners.
Dwi ddim yn hospital.
What's up, honey? Me and my sister love you.
Na, mae gen i fi un lle health care.
Y'all got clarinets and violins, but you got something most music these days ain't. Let me guess. Lineage traced back to the great Haydn himself? Let's see here. Y'all got soul. Ah, yes, soul. A raison d'etre? Delicious. My sisters say whoever you got playing
Shit.
the keys got more funk in his pinky. But I told her that ain't funk. That's classical. Yes, indeed. That must be most exacerbating. Classical music has been known since the time of the early explorers. Funk, by contrast, is an entirely modern conceit, and you'll find
Mae pob cael internet.
funk, as they say,
Internet
is for the
is a human right.
Now, let's hear another one of those
Um,
soulful cans.
Industry in the region is on the rise, and when business is doing well, that floats our boat.
There's no sinking this boat, Glenda. And on to our main feature story. The commercial district is booming as the area is attracting more high-end stores, bringing taste and luxury to our neighborhood. You can now shop for designer shoes while sipping a fancy local Jarva mate.
yeah.
Or so my wife tells me. That's good for business and good for the community.
Thanks, Jim. We'll be back after this.
Mae mas fi. Yeah. Internet for all. O. There. Sut ydw i efo... Ie. Ie, beth slyglo. Traffic flow. Pretty awful. How fod yn awful? Big. Uh, um, yeah. O, lle dwi'n rhoi'r main subway fi. Yna ie. O, fa ma. Ie. Dwi angry. Okay. Uni angen un. Ie. Efo? Um, Sut mae'n gweithio? Um, Sut dwi'n neud time track? Sut dwi'n neud... E? Mae'n outdoor. Na. Dwi'n mynd siwr fy gawnt. Ia'r taxis mae gyd. Exit the boat. Be sy'n mynd? Yeah, that. Yeah. That. Then. Summit. Nah. Bang. Taxi. Taxi depot. Far. No, sut dwi'n... Sut ydw i'n y subways? Mae gen i fi subway station. Subway. Sut dwi'n... Okay. Done. Here we Google. Save though. Subway. Way. City. Islands 2. Let me show you Avatar. Yeah, this of it. Okay. Okay, done. Okay. Sut dwi'n iwsio fo? Oh, okay. The boy went awful. Sure, dangos fi b'n neud. Okay.
Recent spikes in demand.
Na, kid! Oh my god, there was...
Shortages in the city's fresh water supply.
Should we...
The public should be aware that we are struggling to get the situation in hand. This has
Oh,
been
page
a
that... Oh.
service announcement.
A driving advisory has been issued for the immediate area due to poor road conditions.
Okay.
Please exercise caution if you must drive, and try to stay off the streets until conditions improve. This has been a local public service announcement.
Oh, okay, we go with Sinead.
Is Second Moon Radio classical for the modern age.
Page down.
Unlike most modern music,
Pager,
classical has
pager.
always been penned by someone sitting in front of a sheet of blank paper, using only their imaginations as guides through a silent audible masterpiece.
Come on, fucking...
Now here we sit, listening at full
Okay.
volume, and our souls are transported. But let us not tarry.
What?
On to the next rapisode.
Local
You know.
stargazers are in for a real treat tonight as the aurora borealis
Six.
is expected to light up the night sky.
That's right, Jim. Don't forget to look up this evening. It promises to be quite a sight.
This just in from traffic. If you're thinking about hitting the streets, you can expect delays on the major roads,
Yeah.
especially during rush hour.
Good to know, Jim. Seems like everyone is in a hurry to get somewhere fast. It's worth slowing down. And if you can, plan
What?
a trip outside the rush.
Oh, I don't know. I'd rather wait an hour in traffic than to have to start thinking about everything all the time. Besides, if I did that, I'd never get anywhere.
Did you run? Hey. Like that. Fucked in. I'm not reading that one, you sure? Two times. The Macau curves, basically. Yeah, that. What? Not hard.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special news bulletin. Increasing areas of forest are being engulfed by flames. The thick smoke rising from the fire makes the air dangerous to breathe. Citizens are
Oh, shit.
advised to vacate any premises near the fires and remain at a safe distance until emergency services manage to get the fires under control.
What? What? Oh, shit. Dwi wrth mynd i fanna. Sut dwi'n cael... In water. Yes. Yes. Step. Step. Um. O, sut dwi'n cael i fanna? Gem yn effing frustrating. Alla ddim na. Alla ddim na. Don't give a shit, man. Don't give it that ass. Um. Look at that. The pager. Ah, okay. Pager. Fucking clever. Okay, so... Look at the back o... Loop. Watch. Okay. Hello. Spear. dwi? Ma... O? Dwi'n cyrraedd fan'na. Heb iddo fod yn... Oce, so hynna, ie? What? O, sbia! Allai twtio fe yma fyny. Too tight. Yeah. No. O. Fydda. Shit! Single. Single. Single, this is the full. Yeah, right. Right. Train station, di fan'na. Rod. Just rod chdi. Then... Ela... Ela... Iawn. Yna... Please.
driving advisory has been issued for the immediate area due to poor road conditions. Please exercise caution if you must drive, and try to stay off the streets until conditions improve. This has been a local public service announcement. Pending updates to our power grid, the city will be
What?
experiencing rolling blackouts. We urge the public to remain calm during these breaks in service and to follow the guidelines on the city's website on how to plan for these temporary events. This has been a local public service announcement.
This is Second Moon Radio, classical for the modern age. Unlike most modern music, classical has always been penned by someone sitting in front of a sheet of blank paper, using only their imaginations as guides through a silent audio masterpiece. Now here we sit, listening at full volume, and our souls are...
Can't we miss in a bit?
But let us not tarry. On to the next rapisode.
This just in from traffic. If you're thinking about hitting the streets, you can expect delays on the major roads, especially during rush hour.
Good to know, Jim. Everyone is in a hurry to get somewhere fast. It's worth slowing down. And if you can, plan your trip outside the rush.
Oh, I don't know. I'd rather wait an hour in traffic than to have to start thinking about everything all the time. Besides, if I did that, I'd never get anywhere. We're live, and we're getting reports about a traffic accident somewhere in the city.
Road maintenance services have already been dispatched, and traffic flow should return to normal. But if you're planning a quick trip out, you might want to wait a little while until everything clears up.
If you're in it, you already know about it. No use reminding you. Meanwhile, expect delays and drive safe.
Yeah. Yeah. Så. Apparently we're fucking connected. Okay. They're overlapping items. Okay. Class. Vad blir det hinna? On. Ouais. Symud chdi. Nej, gör det. Fuck. Be sy'n overlapio? Be sy'n overlapio? O? O, diwedd ystod. O. Slwp. Ooh. Gered. Da. O. Be? Be? Hwnna. Da. Just... Okay. Symud chdi... Naci! Fela, hwnna fela. Hwnna fela. Fela. Hefyd angen... Pa ffordd ti eisiau mynd? Un sec, un sec. Be? Okay. Oh my god, Lewis. What? Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Recent spikes in demand have led to temporary local shortages in the city's fresh water supply. The public should be aware that we are struggling to get the situation in hand. This has been a local public service announcement. A driving advisory has been issued for the immediate area due to poor road conditions. Please exercise caution if you must drive, and try to stay off the streets until conditions improve. This has been a local public service announcement.
You're listening to Second Moon Radio with J. Thomas Hornbuckle, and we're pervading some of the finest classical music on the air. Keep that dial right here.
Industry in the region is on the rise, and when business is doing well, that floats our boat.
There's no sinking this boat, Glenda. We're live, and we're getting reports about a traffic accident somewhere in the city.
Road maintenance services have already been dispatched, and traffic flow should return to normal. But if you're planning a quick trip out, you might want to wait a little while until everything clears up.
If you're in it, you already know about it. No use reminding you. Meanwhile, expect delays and drive safe.
Oh god. What? You need. Yeah. Okay. Ah, shit, Boruto. No. 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 Mm. Naki. About there. Yeah. Just that. Cut you on. Slow. Wrong. See you in there. Mm. Ah! Jakie złote? Hmm. That's... Okay.
A driving advisory has been issued for the immediate area due to poor road conditions. Please exercise caution if you must drive and try to stay off the streets until conditions improve. This has been a local public service announcement. A driving advisory has been issued for the immediate area due to poor road conditions. Please exercise caution if you must drive and try to stay off the streets until conditions improve. This has been a local public service announcement. You're listening to Second Moon, the epitome of classical listening at home or wherever you roam.
Industry in the region is on the rise, and when business is doing well, that floats our boat.
There's no sinking this boat, Glenda. More local news today. The Tourism Board just released their latest figures, and somehow the number of visitors to the region fell by over 20% last season.
Well, that's fine by me, Jim. I just love it here. Maybe we'll keep it our little secret.
I like the sound of that, Glenda.
Is it? Cos'è? No. Um. Overlapping, but it's overlapping. Yeah, just see. What? Look at him. Um. Uh, Save game. Yeah. Yes. Oh my god, we lost stuff. Burn it. Packing. So bet that's me for today, though. That is me for today. Dwi'n wedi bod yn gwachio fi'n chwarae in silence a siarad hyn, dechrau fawr. And today, that's all I have. Dwi'n meddwl dwi'n gwneud job reit dda, ddo. Dwi actually cash. Dwi actually pobl yn byw yma. jyst isio neu fwy o housing. Trwy allan bach o housing. A dwi'n... Dwi'n bell isio medium. Residential, so cofio hyn o'n. Be all isio? Medium density. Medium. O? Trwy commercial. Right. Commercial. Yes. Yeah. O? Gen eisiau mwy o tai posh. Yeah. O, tai. Iawn. Yes, dyma ni o. O! Cefed. Ma... O! O! Um... Um... Pollution. Lle mae pollution? Okay, so it's not too bad. Water pollution, though. I just agor twll arall, ie? Mae'n iawn i wneud, yndi? Fo? Just massive shit. Just massive shit place fi. Dyna ni fe yma. Oh my god, stored garbage fi. Stored garbage and... Should be fine. How's some electricity? Shit. Okay. Ond os di hwnna'n... Ydw fel a? Just get... O, ond dwi ddim yn... Water pollution, 0. Sbia? A dyn nhw just agor mwy. Fel dwi'n mynd ymlaen, ie? Not enough water. Tra be? Gwpa be? Oh, shit, no. What's the process? Treat the water's back. Lle dwi angen reid hwnna? Yep, all of it. should have it. Water. More water. Green or whatever, yeah. Fuck big brain. Big effing brain. Okay. Oh my god, electricity. What? Pa dwi'n iwsio batri? Your production. Oh shit. Geothermal. Okay. Let's have some geothermal. Okay. Yeah, man, anyway. Yeah. Fucking class. Easy. Um. I was gonna have electricity. You literally need electricity, Bob. Doing a transformer, yma. Yma. Met, pan ti'n mynd electricity? Oh, cos di long yn connected. Lol, my fault. Yes! Okay. Doing a ground pollution. Okay, so we'll look at that. And I just try to the dog pack. What a genius there. I can cut it off, fun. Hold on. Spear? High rent. Dwi'n sortio rent allan. Hyn. Sortio allan. Oh my god. Um. Sydd yn llai sortio hwn allan? I just did. Mae'n choking point go iawn, di.
Advisory has been issued for the immediate area due to poor road conditions. Please exercise caution if you must drive and try to stay off the streets until conditions improve. This has been a local public service announcement.
A driving advisory has been issued for the immediate area due to poor road conditions. Please exercise caution if you must drive, and try to stay off the streets until conditions improve. This has been a local public service announcement.
That was truly superfluous. Masterful counterpart. You're listening to Second Moon Radio, the station of levitated tastes. Don't touch that dial.
Oh,
And
lle mae pob yn mynd i?
our main feature story. The commercial district is booming as the area is attracting more high-end stores, bringing the latest in luxury to our neighborhood. You can now shop for designer shoes while sipping a fancy local Jarva mate, or so my wife tells me. That's good for business and good for the community.
Thanks, Jim. We'll be back after this.
We're live, and we're getting reports about a traffic accident somewhere in the city.
Road maintenance services have already been dispatched, and traffic flow should return to normal. But if you're planning a quick trip out, you might want to wait a little while until everything clears up.
If you're in it, you already know about it. No use reminding you. Meanwhile, expect delays and drive safe.
O, ddim yn beth o dde. Traffic. Sut dwi'n sortio traffic? How do I ease congestion? Okay, crematorium. Down we crematorium. Y fanna. Efo. Hwn. Mm. Fi'n dal eisiau mwy o tai. Fucking good. Ah, commercial. That's not... Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah. Dwi'n gwybod os di transportation fi'n iawn. What? Shit. Yeah. Austin. Oh. Shit. Yeah. What? Oh my god, sbio'r rubbish pile fi. Mae'n prosesio ddo. Yeah, that's... Oh, sbio. Oh. Yeah, o'n i disgwyl mwy o fama, da. Fi'n dal yn siarad o tai. Iawn. Sef, am heddiw. Diolch yn fawr iawn, dyd ti. Dwi eisiau sortio'r traffic, subway, a hospital. So fi ddim hospital. Dwi un medical centre. O'n iawn, do. Dwi'n yn gwybod sut mae y subway yn gweithio. Mae fama'n isio. Dwi'n yn gwybod be'n neud efo fama. Oh my gosh, what traffic o fe? Yeah. So, i fili to hynna. Hang on, sorry, mate. Oh. Get traffic. let the traffic flow. Oh my god, Sven. Ja. Tjej, den hade jag hört. Um, Vad vänner ni om Andy? Oh my god. Iawn, esort o'r eto. Quality, dwi'n mynd go iawn nawr. Oedd o'n stressful. Ond, ie, diolch yn fawr. A welai di yn y stream nesaf, dwi'n meddwl. Hei, ddo fori. Ella dim City Skylines, ella bod ffordd o fori. Dwi'n sy'n mwyn dwi'n. Iawn. Goodbye.